bring? Audience? Okay. Your question runs this way. Is winning a game important?
Yes,
Why is it so?
because maybe there were fans that were expecting you to win, and you can be an inspiration to them too.
Thank you so much. Let's give her a round of applause.
And now we have Mr. Sanctuary Elementary representing the yellow team, grade Angela Thomas, grade 4, Autumn. Okay, please pick your question here. Okay, the question is, who among the sports legend that you admired most? Again, who among the sports legend that you admired the most?
First of all, thank you for the question that you have given me. The sports legend I admire most is LeBron James. Because of all the rankings he has gave for his team and himself, Miami Heat now stands on the top of the NBA standing.
Hey, very well said. Thank you so much, Ray.
May I call in the contestant from the blue team? Miss Hernandez. Miss Bigger question. Aha. Your question runs this way. What is sportsmanship? Again, what is sportsmanship?
Even though it has the word sport in it, remember that sportsmanship is important beyond athletic. Being a good sport is important in any sort of competition.
Thank you so much. Let's give her a round of applause.
Thank you. Okay, number 2 from the blue team. Please pick your question. Okay, here's your question. And he is Jason Lance Perez, a grade 6 platinum. Jason, here is your question. What do you think is the best way to win a game? What do you think is the best way to win a game?
The best way to win the game is you have to prepare well and you have a good practice.
Okay, well said. Thank you so much, Jason.
May I call in the contestant from the red team, Aliana Agustin. Just make a question. A little bit. Okay. What do you think is necessary to win a game? Again, what do you think is necessary to win a game?
Necessarily win the game by practicing hard and being the best.
That's all. Thank you. Let's give her a round of applause.
Thank you so much. And from the red team. Okay, please pick your question. He is Justin Charles Oleta, grade 6, silver. Okay, your question goes like this. What are the good qualities of a sportsman? What are the good qualities of a sportsman?
First of all, by accepting losses and defeats and know how to play right and not pitch.
Okay,
pick a question. Okay, the question runs this way. How do you handle game defeats? Again, how do you handle game defeats?
Good afternoon, everyone. I can say that I can handle game defeats very well. Because for me, winning means doing your very best. Even without getting any gold medals or shiny trophies. Thank you.
Thank you, Noel. Very well said. Let's give a round of applause.
Thank you so much, Denise. And to your partner, representing the yellow team, Brian Francisco. Okay, please speak your question. Okay, this is your question. What is your favorite sport and why? Again, what is your favorite sport and why?
Good afternoon, everyone. My favorite sport is swimming because it helps our body fit and makes us healthy.
Exactly. Okay, thank you so much, Brian, for the answer.
Okay, from the blue team, Lian Ruiz. Let's pick a question. Okay. How to become a successful sports enthusiast? For you, how to become a successful sports enthusiast?
For me, discipline is one of the keys to become a successful sport enthusiast. Be disciplined and train hard. Set your goals and believe in yourself. Not only that, you have to love what you are doing and motivate yourself to be the best athlete you can be. Thank you.
Very well said. Let's give a round of applause.
Thank you so much, Ms. Lian, for the wonderful answer. Now it's your turn, Mr. Paliso. Aldwin. Okay, your question is, do you consider yourself a sports enthusiast and why? Do you consider yourself a sports enthusiast and why?
First of all, a blessed afternoon to you guys all. And yes, I include myself to the sport enthusiast because I have the passion to play the sport, and that's all we wanted, the passion and to win the game.
Okay, thank you so much for that answer.
May I call in from the red team, Hannah Bulakenya. Okay, this is the last question, so no need to. Who among the famous sports enthusiasts nowadays is your favorite and why? Again, who among the famous sports enthusiasts nowadays is your favorite and why?
Thank you, ma'am, for that question. Once again, good afternoon, everyone. Among the famous sport enthusiasts, I really admire our very own Manny Pacquiao. Because despite of all his achievements, all his world titles, he remains humble. And he didn't forget to keep his feet on the ground. If there is one thing that rose in him, it is his heart. Because he serves his people well as a congressman. And now he became a Christian. He is now a man of God. And that's what I admire the most to him. Thank you.
Okay.
Very well said.
Thank you so much. And the last but not the least, High School Mr. Central Olympics candidate, Patrick Garcia, representing the red team. You don't have any other choice but to pick this question. Okay, I'll open it for you. Listen carefully. Very short. Is sport a necessity? Again, is sport a necessity?
Thank you for your beautiful question. Sport now has a necessity as it is the best source to promote a healthy person contributes to make a good society, and a good society makes a good nation. Sport now is being importantly government by
Okay, thank you so much for the answer, Mr. Patrick Garcia. And now, ladies and gentlemen,